Hey, it's been long since we met each other. How are you doing? I'm great. How are you? I'm good. By the way, what are you doing here? I have been waiting for my train. When your train will arrive at the station? I don't know, man. It's late. Okay. Well, so you have time in your hand to have a cup of coffee with me. Why not, man? Sure. So let's go to have a cup of coffee. By the way, how do you like this weather? This weather is so nice. I really like to spend time such types of weather with my friend like you or rather over taking a cup of coffee or tea. I really like making some chats over taking coffee or tea. Well, so tell me, what are you doing nowadays? Any job? I'm doing a job in a multinational company. What about you? I'm also doing a job in company. Well, your father is fine. Yeah, he's fine. And your mother? She's also fine. Then tell me, when are you going to get married? No, man, now it's not possible. I hope that it will take more than 2 years. Oh, yeah. What about you? Tell me, you are getting married? You're gonna get married? No, man, I have not, taken any decision. It is also a matter of time. It will take time, man. Well, it's nice talking. Same here. এই ভিডিওটি তোমাদের যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে প্লিজ বন্ধুদের শেয়ার করবে। এখানে কিভাবে ইংরেজিতে কনভারসেশন করবে তার একটি ছোট্ট পদ্ধতি, একটু ছোট্ট প্রসেস দেখানো হলো। প্র্যাকটিস করবে, কিন্তু আমার চ্যানেলটি অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে।